Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing good. So in today's video, we are going to see how to fix this no bootable devices error from your Dell laptop or desktop. So in this video, I will share step-by-step methods you can apply to fix this issue completely. So let's start the video. First, turn off your laptop. So press and hold the power key to shut down your laptop completely. After that, you have to open the BIOS settings. So in Dell laptop, you can use F2 key to open the BIOS settings, or in some laptop, you have to use this FN key as well. So you have to press and hold the FN key, then press F2 key to open the BIOS options, BIOS settings. Okay. But in my laptop, I don't need to use this FN key. I will directly press F2 key to open the BIOS settings. I will show you how to open the BIOS settings in Dell laptop. So first, turn on your laptop and within a second start pressing this F2 key continuously to open the BIOS settings. Now you can see this is the BIOS settings interface in your Dell laptop. So on the left side, click on this option boot sequence. After that, on the right side, you will see this option boot list options, and there are two options available, UEFI and legacy. So you have to select the legacy boot order. Okay, select the legacy boot order. After that, you can see at the top a boot sequence. So this is my internal hard drive. So first, make sure your internal hard drive is selected. So tick your internal hard drive, okay, to activate your internal hard drive. After that, you have to shift your internal hard drive at the top. So select your internal hard drive. After that, press the up arrow key to shift your hard drive to the top. Okay. So you have to enable your internal hard drive, select the legacy boot order, and after that, shift your internal hard drive at the top. So these are the three things you have to check. Okay. After that, click on apply to apply the changes, then click on exit. So now your laptop will restart and you can see the issue has been resolved. But if you are still getting the same issue, move on to the next step and open the BIOS settings again, and I will show you the next method you can apply. So open the BIOS settings again, shut down your laptop and use F2 key to open the BIOS settings. After that, in the BIOS settings, click on this option system configuration, expand this option. Now click on this option SATA operations. Now on the right side, if the SATA operations are disabled like this, if the SATA operation is disabled, you will face this kind of boot related issues. So you have to select either red on, or you can select the other two options as well, like AHCI. You can select this option as well. In some laptop, AHCI will work. In some laptop, red on will work. In some laptop, ATA will work. So you have to check with all the with these three options: ATA, AHCI, and red on. Okay. So check all the three options one by one. So I will go for this red on. I will first cancel it and I will select this red on, click on apply, click on exit. Now if you are still getting the same issue, in that case what you have to do is you have to search for load default settings in your laptop. So in Dell laptop, you have to select load default. So this will set your BIOS settings in the default mode. You can select or try this method as well. So you have to select this load default setting. You can see here load default. So click on this load default. So this will set the default settings in BIOS. Click on OK. So this is your third method you can try, load default. Click on exit. And in the most cases, this will also help you to fix the issue, load default. And you can see the issue has been resolved. Now move on to the next method you can try is diagnose your a laptop hardware components. So you have to run a hardware scan in Dell Laptop. I will show you how to run a hardware scan in your Dell laptop or desktop. So first, shut down your laptop. Okay. Now in Dell Laptop, you can use this F12 key to open the hardware scan in Dell Laptop. I will show you how to run the hardware scan. First, turn on your laptop and within a second start pressing this F12 key continuously. Okay, tab F12 key continuously. Now here you will see these kind of option and you have to go for this option, diagnostics. So this will diagnose your laptop hardware components. Press enter and you can see the hardware scan has been started. First, this will scan your display. Select yes, click on yes. So now on the left side you can see these are the hardware components and this will check all the hardware components one by one. So this is my hard drive, this is my CD-ROM, okay, and these are the video card, my laptop battery, processor, fan, processor. So this will check all the major hardware components one by one, and you can see this is the error with my laptop battery. So this is the error I'm getting, laptop battery error. Click on yes to continue. So this will scan all the hardware components. Okay. So this will take around 15 to 20 minutes to complete. I have only issue with my laptop battery right now. So I will fast forward this video because this will take time to scan all your hardware components. So I will fast forward this video. Now the testing process has been completed 100%. On the left side, you can see on the left side 100% completed. On the left side, you can see these are the hardware components. All are okay. Only issue with my laptop battery, and my hard drive is also fine. So there is no hardware issue in my hard drive. Okay. If your hard drive is fine, but you are still getting the same issue, in that case you have to install a new operating system. But if you see any kind of error in your hard drive, in that case you have to repair your hard drive. I will show you how to repair your hard drive in your Dell laptop. So let's start. First, shut down your laptop completely. Okay, I will show you how to repair your hard drive with some trick. Okay, so first, shut down your laptop completely. Cut this window and shut down your laptop. So this is my laptop. First, remove the charger cable. Okay, remove the charger cable. Now I will open my laptop. Before we start, remove your laptop battery as well. Okay, now I will open my laptop back panel. And you can see this is my hard drive. Okay, first I will remove my hard drive. I will unplug my hard drive and I will clean my hard drive port and my hard drive first. I will show you. This is the hard drive I have. So first I will clean the hardware, my hard drive port with a brush to remove all kind of dust. Okay, you can use any kind of brush to remove the dust. After that, after removing the dust, you have to use an eraser to clean your hard drive. So you can see these golden plates. You have to use an eraser to clean all kind of if there is any carbon or any kind of dust. You use an eraser to remove all kind of carbon and dust from your hard drive. So you have to just rub. Do not use any kind of liquid. Okay, use a eraser only. Do not use any kind of liquid. So I will use this eraser to remove the dust and the carbon from my hard drive. After that, after cleaning your hard drive, reconnect your hard drive, and this will, in the most cases, this will fix the issue, the boot device not found issue in your Dell laptop. And one more thing you can do is you can use a hard drive casing to take the data backup of your hard drive. If your hard drive is not showing after doing everything, you can use this hard drive casing to try to take the backup of your hard drive. Okay, so you can attach this like this, and then check this hard drive in another PC to take the data backup of your hard drive. So you can use this tool as well, this hard drive casing as well, to take the data backup of your hard drive. So these are the steps you can apply to fix this no bootable device error on your Dell laptop. So this is all for the video. Thank you. Have a nice day.